Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Let me just tell you, I am an Icy Betch. Yes, with an E. I have that palette. I bought it at the Sephora sale and I used it today for the very first time. Honestly, it was one of the most difficult palettes I have ever tried to get a look out of. I'm not crazy about it. I may actually even return it, which I never, ever do. But I wanted to show it to you first and let you see what it looks like. Look, I'm gonna close my eyes. I don't know, it was just so hard to get a look from. The pigment wasn't great, the blending wasn't great. There is absolutely nothing neutral in the palette, so I didn't have anything to blend into it to make it look a little bit more natural. So I honestly feel like I'm looking a little bit like a circus clown right now. So let's just go during the day. I'll check in a few times and we'll see what happens. This is a picture of the palette. It actually looks a lot prettier in this picture than it is. And also this is the top of the palette. The cover is very holographic and very beautiful. That is actually just a sticker on there, however, but it is gorgeous. And I'm going to show you what this is looking like. I've probably in this clip right here, I've probably had these eyeshadows on for about 5 hours and they're a little patchy, a little creasy, not wonderful, but I did, like I said, I want to give it a fair shot. I want you to see what it looks like. These are the swatches on my arm. I did each swatch twice and they are very patchy and the colors are not what you would expect. Hey everybody, I just wanted to let you know I've had these eyeshadows on for 12 hours now, and even though I am really not crazy about the formula, I'm not crazy about how long it took me to blend them and get a decent look out of it. As you can see, my Marc Jacobs Rococo eyeliner, which I put some of the dark blue eyeshadow over top of, really held that eyeshadow in place nicely. There's been no smearing or anything like that. The bad news is when I get close and close my eyes, look, like, see all that creasing? I did use the Painterly paint pot underneath of it, and that paint pot never ever lets my eyeshadow crease. And this creased anyway, and it was a little bit patchy. It just wasn't a good look. I didn't feel like the Icy Betch palette was worth the money. I could have got a much better look and a much more even application of the product from almost anything. You know, I have got very inexpensive BH Cosmetics palettes that have given me a much better look, and the wear time has been much longer. So I just wanted to leave you with that. If you love the colors that are in this palette, go ahead and get it. You'll have fun with it. But you know, I have enough eyeshadows that this was just a major disappointment. I have not been this disappointed in eyeshadows in quite a while because everybody is upping their game and everybody is competing with the high-end companies. And why is this palette not doing that? That's my question for the people at Tarte. So anyway, this is a fail. I do not recommend it unless you just can't live without those colors. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and I will see you in my next video. Bye.